Let's learn about renewable resources. A renewable resource is a resource that can replenish itself in the same or less amount of time it takes to draw the supply down. Some renewable resources essentially have an endless supply of energy, such as solar energy, wind energy, and thermal pressure. Other resources are considered renewable even though some time or effort must go into their renewal, such as wood, oxygen, leather, and fish. Examples of renewable resources include water, oxygen, timber and wood, fruits and vegetables and other produce, meat from animals, sunlight, and fish. This image shows the differences between renewable energy and non-renewable energy. This picture does a really good job of giving a visual of how renewable resources look in comparison to each other. The graph on the left-hand side is especially helpful. I don't know if you guys can see it well enough, like whether or not it's big enough for you, but if you want to see like the actual version of it, there's a link on the last page of the video for where we found our pictures and graphs. College endowment is linked with renewable resources because a financial endowment is a transfer of money or property donated to, for example, an institution. The total value of an institution's investments is often referred to as the institution's endowment. It is typically organized as a public charity, private foundation, or trust. Suppose that a college can earn 8% on its endowment funds. An individual who wants to make a one-time donation to fund an annual scholarship of $25,000 would need to donate enough so that the fund would earn $25,000. The donation would have to be $25,000 divided by 8%, which equals $312,500. You have to divide by the 8% because the college has to earn 8% off of what you're investing, along with the $25,000. Let's think of a college endowment fund as a fish population. Every year, a fish population is not supposed to lose more than a certain percent to consumers. If one year a consumer takes more than the set percent of the fish population, gradually every year the fish population will have less and less until virtually your population is exhausted. Think of a fund like this. If you gradually take more and more money, by the end, you're not going to have any left because the fund won't have had time to replenish itself like the population. This is just another example problem that you might encounter involving renewable resources. This is like an elementary level math problem. I just wanted to show you another example in which renewable resources are used, and this is how they are used in comparison with each other. While researching renewable resources, I came across this video on YouTube. It's a video of the RWE Renewable Energy Giant. It's a commercial for their company, which is an energy company, and it basically just does a really good job of illustrating the different types of renewable resources and how they can be used for renewable energy. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the video. Here are the links for the pictures and graphs we used. So thanks for listening, and I hope that this was helpful.